So, this video is for Donette and Ed, and Diane and Steve from Oakland, and the people in Arizona, to show you that the slide out works. The good thing is I found the key. It wasn't the spare set of keys of the trailer, so I have a spare set for you, and the main set. So the lights work, which is good. You can see it there, but there you go. So everything works. Everything's fine. So it's hooked up to my car now. So now I'm gonna start opening the slide out, so you see that it actually works. Let me see. So this is the slide out control, and you just go out, and you will see it moving. And there you go, and you're gonna see how roomy it is when it actually slides out. So I'll give you a little walk through while it's open. The kitchen there, you can play soccer in here if you want. So there you go. And now while Chris push it back in, I'm gonna record it from outside. So this is the old car that is parked by it. So Chris, can you push the button while I film it from? So push it where it says in. This is my Volvo. Let's see. So start now. So it's going in now. There you go. There you go. Okay, set it all the way in. All the way in. I already showed it from the inside that it pops out. Alright, thank you very much. I'll post the video tonight on YouTube, and I'll give you a call so you can take a look at it. Bye bye.